Good morning. All right, this is like day 4 or 5 of a trade day evaluation. I'm in from the future, which is never good. I wonder how many times I'm gonna have this conversation with myself. Yesterday I caught 2 moves that were slightly bigger profit targets than usual, and of course that completely took over my brain, and I was essentially moving the profit target to something unreasonable every time. Not every time, but those first 2 trades were 2 losses, and they would have been 2 5-point winners if I had not moved the profit target. So I obviously have to make a new note and somehow find the perfect balance between those 5-point winners and the very rare and occasional 8-point winner. Really shouldn't be anything more than that. It's frustrating. We all have to work around our weaknesses, but thankfully these reminders that I write for myself have fixed almost all of my problems, and I don't currently have a reminder for this problem with moving the profit target and stuff. And I paid the price. So obviously I will be making a new note, and someday I'm gonna have all the notes that I need. Someday. That's okay. I'm going to be lowering my max daily loss as well. I'm gonna put it around 15 points, which is minus $300. Because looking back on my trading, there's a very high chance that when I get to that point, I'm not gonna do better. I'm going to do worse. It's almost guaranteed. So I'm going to lower it even more. And that's okay, because I do not want to be a trader with massive P&L swings. I don't want to be minus 500 plus 800, at least not on one contract. I want to be no more than minus 20 or minus 18 on my worst days, and then plus 20 to 30 on my best days, but more consistently somewhere around 10 to 15 points. Because that's all you need to make a serious amount of money, especially because you can size up from there. You don't have to make 50 points on one contract. You can make 15 points and then trade 4 contracts. So yeah, I blew past my max daily loss, and at that point I was just out of it. And once again, apparently the leaf blower people do that every Thursday. It was incredibly distracting and loud. And I quickly ended the stream because of how disappointed I was, and I know I shouldn't have, and this is stupid, but I took a few more trades after that, and instead of being minus a lot of points, I finished the day minus 5 or so, or minus 3, somewhere close to that. 1 step forward, 2 steps back. But I do have solutions for those problems, so it's just creating the right reminders and then going from there. So thank you very much for watching. We're all in this together. We're all struggling, but we're all progressing as long as you can take away meaningful lessons from your mistakes. And that's all we can do. Thank you very, very much to my patrons. Really appreciate your support. Bye-bye.